Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with one interesting module which is nothing but create employee agents in Agentforce. And also we are providing solution for all of these challenges in our playlist called Agentblazer Legend. I will provide the playlist link in description to check that. And now let's take up this challenge. So for this challenge we have to connect with special developer edition, and then you need to connect that particular org. So once if this is done, just click on launch and in quick find search for Einstein, so that you will get Einstein setup. Click on it and enable this Einstein on, and now give a refresh on Chrome and search for agent. You will get Agentforce agents. Click on it and make sure to enable this as well, followed by enable the Agentforce default agent. So once if this is done, this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Remaining two challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.